Hi guys! Today we're going to see how to download Crunchyroll on your phone. If you love watching anime and want an easy way to get Crunchyroll on your device, don't worry, just follow these simple steps with me. First of all, we unlock our phone so we can access all the apps easily. This step is very basic, but it's important because everything starts from your home screen. Once your phone is unlocked, you're ready to move forward without any confusion. Now let's jump straight to the next step and open the App Store. After unlocking the phone, we look for the App Store on the home screen. As soon as you find it, tap on it to open the store where all apps are available. This is where we download safe and official apps, so honestly, it's the best option. Once the App Store opens, we can search for Crunchyroll easily. Now at the bottom right side, you'll see the search option. Tap on the search icon, and then go to the search bar at the top. Here, type Crunchyroll carefully so the correct app shows up. Luckily, the app appears quickly, so you won't have to scroll too much. After searching, you'll see the Crunchyroll app in the results. Simply tap on the app to open its download page. This helps you confirm you're downloading the official app and not the wrong one. Once the app page opens, you're just one step away from downloading it. Now, you'll see a blue download button on the screen. Tap on the download button and the app will start downloading automatically. Depending on your internet speed, it may take a few seconds or a couple of minutes. Once the download is complete, the app will be ready to use on your phone. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded Crunchyroll on your phone. Now you can open the app and enjoy your favorite anime anytime you want. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you faced any issues or want more tutorials like this.